Now let's go ahead and clean up and also set up our WordPress website. So all these widgets you see in here, I don't want them. I want to clean them up. So I'll click on dismiss, and I can collapse this, and that. Or I can go ahead to screen options and I'll uncheck all this just to remove them from here. Okay. Next, I go to post. Defaultly, WordPress will give you the hello world post as soon as you finish installing WordPress. We don't need this, so I trash it. I go to trash, empty the trash. Next, we go to pages. So I select all, bulk actions, move to trash, apply. Then I go to trash, empty the trash. Appearance. Take note, this is where our themes are, and this is the current theme we are using, meaning we don't need all these themes, so I'll delete them. Click delete. Okay, awesome. Now let's go to plugins. There are 2 plugins in here and we don't need them. They are not even activated, so I check all, bulk actions, delete, apply. Okay, so now our WordPress website is clean. Now let's go ahead and do some settings. First of all, I want to go to users and all users. So currently this is the only user we have, that is myself, my email, and the role I am having is administrator, meaning I can customize my website every single way I want. So my username will also appear right here, but if I don't want this name to appear right here so that I have my full name, so I'll just click on edit. In here you can choose admin color scheme. So this is the default: light, modern, blue. Okay, so you can choose whichever one you want. I want to keep it at default. So this is my username, I cannot change it, and I'll enter my first name. Then display name publicly as, so I can drop down the arrow and choose my full name. I'm seeing these names here because I have specified my names in here. And this is my email, I can change it if I want, and my web address. In here I can enter my biographical information so that it will appear, or I can decide to show it under blog post. I will leave this for now. You can do that at your own time. Now profile picture. If I want to have a profile picture in here, what I need to do is go to this link, that is Gravatar website. That is a website for WordPress. So I can create my account and add my image there. So whatever email I use to create my Gravatar account, I need to specify that email in here to pull the image from Gravatar website. I'll skip this for now. In here I can also set a new password if I want. I don't want to do that. I click on update profile. So my full name will now appear right here. Next, let's go to settings, then click on general. So this is where we can change the name of our website. So I remove my blog and enter Imacan collections, and then the tagline, I can also specify what I want. Next is website address URL. Now this is where you can make your website secure if it is not secured, like you see in here, connection secure. Now if your web host comes with an SSL certificate, you need to add the S to the HTTP. That is if you don't see the HTTPS in here. So you add the S here and do the same thing here as well. But here is the case, I already have that, so I don't need to do anything. And then in here, I can also change the email address to my website. I'll leave it as it is for now. The membership, it is very important to check this box so that anyone can register on your website, since we are making an e-commerce website. So I scroll down, then save changes. Next, let's go to permalinks. Now, defaultly, this is what our website is using, that is day and name. So whatever post you make on your website now will assume this sample you are seeing right here, which is not good for search engine optimization. So if you want to get better ranking on search engines, you need to choose post name, and this is how the sample will look like. So after the .com, you see / and then the name of your post title. I scroll down, save changes. Perfect. So that's it on cleaning up our website and also setting it up.